Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new question into a quiz. And the question we're going to add today is actually the multiple choice question. So I'm going to give you a preview of the question I'm going to add. So I have a Word document, and this is actually the question I'm going to add today. You can see that there are a few images and there is the options, and I've actually prepared it by writing down the answers as well. Okay. You can do a little bit of pre-preparation. You will need to save all these images out as a JPEG file or a GIF file, or there is another video of mine which shows you very easily how to save all these images, but I won't go through that. All right. So let's go back to our web page. So the first thing you need to do is log into Learning Catalytics, and then look for the course which contains the quiz in which you're going to actually upload or put in this particular question. So the course I'm going to put in the question is under LOHYL demo course. This is the course I created later, and this is the demo quiz in which I'm going to put in the question. So I'm going to click on the quiz. Okay, you can see that previously I've already added one question into the quiz. What I'm going to do now is show you how to create another quiz question from scratch and an MCQ quiz question. So to edit this quiz, so I'll click on the edit button. It brings me to the add questions and customize module page. You scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this create a new question link. Click on it and you will get a pop-up window which allows you to create a new question. So the first thing you would have to do is select the question type. Today we're going to create a multiple choice question. So you will click on multiple choice, key in your discipline. The next thing we're going to do is key in the question. The question comes under the prompt. So I'm going to go to my Word file, and what I'm simply going to do is just cut and paste the question, Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V. Okay, you realize that I did not cut the images in because to put in the images, what I would need to do is use this button called Add Images. So previously I've extracted all my images, so I'm going to add in all the images at one go. This is my question image, so I'm going to import, okay, upload it. I'm going to at the same time upload all my options. This is my option A, open. This is my option B, open. This is my option C, open. And this is my option D, open. Okay, once I'm happy, all my images are uploaded, I can now put it into the question. Now to put it into the question, what you need to do is go to the position where you want to put in your image and click on it, press enter. So this is where I'm going to put in my question image, and then it's quite simple. The instructions are quite clear. Select an image to upload and then drag and drop the uploaded file into the prompt. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag and I'm going to just drop. And you will see that my question image is actually uploaded and it's in the correct position. Okay, once you're happy with it, you can now go to the options. There are a few ways to do this. Of course, you can upload all the options as an image at the bottom and label option A, B, C, D. But for fun, all right, I want to be able to randomize all these images in my option. So I'm going to put them into the choices instead. Okay, now to upload images in the options, you will need to click on this. Okay, and it switches. Instead of keying in text, you get to select the image that you want to put in. So I'm going to put in option A, option B, option C, and option D. All right. I will also need to indicate this one has a correct answer. So no choice has been marked as correct. If you are going to use it as an opinion question, then you will leave it blank. But this is a correct answer, and I'll make a double check. My correct answer is C. So that will be the third option, and I will key C as my third option. You can also put in text that appears after the choices, which I don't have any, and you can choose whether you want to randomize your choice of answer options so that to two students who are doing the same test and they're sitting beside each other, they will have the different orders of the options. You can choose whether you want to share this with other instructors. If you do not, you just uncheck it. All right, and your copyright. Now this is not an original question, so I'm going to put in the attribution. Okay, and then you can tag your question. So this is a physics question. I can key in physics and physics. Okay, and it's on resonance. Okay, wait for a while, and I'm happy. It's also on damping. All right, so you can tag as many things as you like. All right, you may want to put in an answer or explanation so that when the students review their questions after the class, or if it's used as a team-based assessment, they'll be able to see this answer explanation and acts as a feedback for them. So I've prepared an answer, and what I'm simply going to do is Control-C, cut, all right, copy and paste this. All right, so that the students, if they do this question, they can actually see and read it. All right, once I'm happy, you scroll to the bottom. You can put in some additional notes which are for you and for instructors, but that will not be shown to the students. If you have nothing to write, you can just save and you can preview the whole question. So you can double check, okay, the question is okay, the options are okay, and once you're happy, you close and your new multiple choice question is added in. Yeah, that's the end of this video.